Hi everyone. So I'm finally doing a recording to show you what I've planted in because the rain started soon after I set out the bed and just put in the main plants or those few that I went through. So I've been trying to plant in between and in between the rain, that is. So I've got quite a bit in, and so it's good that it's now been so many days, like a week since the last video, and let me show you what it looks like because I almost done with this, and I did get a start on the other bed as well. So let me show you the rest of it. All right. So there's been um so that's the big Ionium that I put in. I don't think I showed you that. I put in that to just sort of camouflage or hide this water tap, water meter. And this is the garden. So that's my driftwood, and put in the succulents. I've tucked in some by the driftwood. Those turn a sort of a burnished, it's an echeveria or a sedum, I'm not sure, but I'll put the names all in the next video. I'll put in some labels, I think, in the garden so it reminds me as well. But they get a sort of a burnished brown, which looks really good. And that's the porticularia that I want to um, fall over this mound of soil. And that's my dangerous Euphorbia turcali. And I've got this crassula at the bottom that I put, and the little ghosties underneath. So you can see them there. And then I've got all my other echeverias here with the little cactus at the back. And these are the opuntias. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the opuntias here. There's my cactus Everdeen, vicious cactus, which poked me as many times as it could, just as angry. And there's all my, this is a common sedum, and there's another cactus that I put in. Right, so let me show you what it looks like from the top here. I've got that kalanchoe that's there on the side. That's about to bloom. Right, so that's view there. Oh, and then let me show you my maple is here, which you would have seen. And I planted this bunch of sedum on the side of it, and this orange or yellow firegrass that I pulled out from the top. And there, look at my lovely agave. I'm so excited for this agave to grow. It's got so many pups, and I want the pups, but I don't want to take it out just yet. I want to put them all over the yard because it's so pretty. Look at it. When I bought it, it said it's an agave confederate rose. Right, there's the Ionium here, and I put this Suyon rose here. It's not looking too good because the snails have been at it where it was previously. So hopefully now all this new growth comes out. It looks really good after that. And then from this side of it, there's a dirty bird bath. I need to clean that. And then I've left this golden jade here. I didn't plant it yet. But the birds, that's the other story. The birds have been at it. They have been pulling out the plants. They pulled out this cubic frost and flung it. You can see they've bit off the leaves. They've pecked the whole thing. So I have to be watching them now. They will do this until the garden is settled. So you can see from here. What else did I put? Oh, I put in this aloe at the bottom, and I put in more of this rose succulents on this side, and this crassula here, it's blue gray. gets really big, so I hope it grows nicely here. And that's a kalanchoe that gets really red flowers. And I put some of the crassula, what's it called, broad bean, crassula rajasii, broad bean is a common name. And then this center bit, I did get started on it. The rain is about to come again. All right, there we go. I'll show it quickly. I've just got some pink succulents there. And look, I've got the Echeveria elegans there. And I've put some of these, what are these? Senecio. Right. And there's my agavoides and some purple delights. That's also another senecio. So you can just see I'm getting wet. Okay, let me show it to you from afar. Right, that's the middle part. It's not completed, but I did get started with that, and that's the front portion. So let me start backing away. I'm going to try to get a better bird bath, so my little bird bath there. And the other beds, I did start or get a little start with them, but I didn't put any top dressing. I still need to, I'm going to flatten the mounds a little, and then I will show you that. But for now, this is it. And let me get one last look at my agave before I get drenched. All right, thank you for watching, everyone. And if you have any questions or anything, please let me know in the comments. And I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You can keep track of how this garden progresses because there's still a lot more to go. All right, bye for now.